It was about 15 years ago, and one evening, about supper time, I was out rollerblading on the bike trail and thought I could make it down this little hill and ended up running face first into a brick wall. I could feel the crumbles of teeth in my mouth and realized that I had crushed, not just chipped, crushed two of my front teeth. My name is Karen. I have three children. My oldest is 30 and my next is in his late 20s and my daughter is in her early 20s. I am a nursing instructor at the technical college in town and I've been a patient of Dr. Olson since I was in college. I was horrified. Oh my gosh, I had a nice smile and now I had just lost two of my front teeth. So I went home and I called Dr. Olson's after hours number and left a message. And he called me back within 5 or 10 minutes. He was clearly at home. And the first thing he asked was, was I in a lot of pain? If so, he would have met me at the office that night to do something. But I wasn't in a lot of pain. So he met me first thing the next morning and he had his assistant there. And they were able to fix these 4 front teeth, 2 of which were really broken, without caps. And I went home at noon that day it was a better smile than I had before. And it wasn't until, just maybe a year or two ago, 15 years later, that I finally had to have something else done with those teeth. And so he did cap them. And I am amazed at what a fantastic job he did with those caps. Nobody can tell that I have caps on my front 4 teeth. I can pick out caps on everybody else in town. And I am just so grateful that my caps aren't obviously caps and that they look really as wonderful as they do. Ever since I've come here, I've always felt like Dr. Olson and the staff listened to me and were willing to work with me. I could quickly tell he was a perfectionist. And when it comes to my teeth and my smile, I really appreciate that. And I was just impressed at how nice, what a they're and clean setting. And his staff have always just been so kind and good at what they do. They're always warm and welcoming and always willing to do whatever you need in order to make your smile the way you want it. And I feel like he values what I want and what I have to say. He's interested in me and my kids as people. He's just a real decent human being and a fabulous dentist.